Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity we are going to learn how to unhide objects. As you can see there is two rectangles available, and if I want to unhide them we need to go to the layer menu. With the show we need to click on all, which you can use the shortcut as well, Control Alt Shift plus H. Let's click on all. So as you can see the objects now unhide it, and I can see them, and I can select, I can change the colors for each object. So this is how we can unhide objects in Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question please let me know in the comment box of this video. Take care and goodbye.